Assalamualaikum. 11th standard. We have started with the chapter number 12, that is photosynthesis. Last time we have studied structure of chloroplast. Now today we are going to study two predominant types of chlorophylls. The essential pigment which is required for photosynthesis, that is present in green plant, is chlorophyll. Now there are different types of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, C, D. Okay, different types of chlorophylls are present. But mostly, as we are going to study about higher plants, in higher plants, two types of chlorophylls are present, that is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Okay, two types of chlorophylls are present in higher plants, that is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. This chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, they differ in the nature of groups. If we see chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, both these chlorophyll, they differ in the nature of group. Chlorophyll A, it has a methyl group, that is CH3 group. Chlorophyll A has methyl group, CH3 group, whereas chlorophyll B has aldehyde group. Chlorophyll B has an aldehyde group, that is CHO group. If we see chemically, the chemical structure, if we see of this chlorophyll molecule, then chlorophyll molecule, it consists of two parts. You can see chlorophyll molecule, it consists of two parts. Now, head of this tetrapyrrole, the head of the tetrapyrrole is the porphyrin ring. Porphyrin ring. The head is known as porphyrin ring. And a long tail is present. You can see a long hydrocarbon tail is present. This tail is called as phytol. And this tail, you can see it is attached to porphyrin. Okay, if we see the chemical structure of chlorophyll molecule, it consists of two parts. One is porphyrin, which is, you can call it as a head, okay, that is a ring, porphyrin ring, and it consists of a long tail. That long tail, that is hydrocarbon tail, that tail is known as phytol. Then other photosynthetic pigments beside chlorophyll are carotenoids. Now these carotenoids are lipid compound which are present in all the higher plants and also microorganisms, different microorganisms. Okay, besides chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, the other photosynthetic pigments are carotenoids. Okay, and what are carotenoids? Carotenoids are the lipid compound. Okay, these are present in all the higher plants and also microorganisms, different microorganisms. Now, color of these carotenoids are orange, red, yellow or brown. Different colors are present. Now, these carotenoids, these are associated with chlorophyll. They are associated with chlorophyll. Now, these carotenoids are of two types. They are carotenes and xanthophylls. carotenoids are of two types, that is carotenes and xanthophylls. Now these carotenes are orange red. They are orange red in color, whereas xanthophylls are yellow in color. The color of xanthophyll are yellow, whereas carotene is red in color. Now this carotenes and xanthophyll, that is carotenoids, the light energy, this light is absorbed by carotenoids. The light energy, the light energy is absorbed by carotenoids. They absorb light energy from the sun, and they transfer to chlorophyll A. They absorb light energy, all the pigments, different pigments, chlorophyll B also, with carotenoids, chlorophyll B also absorb light energy. They absorb light energy from the sun, and what they do, they transfer that light energy. They do not keep with them. They transfer that light energy to chlorophyll A. Okay, they transfer that light energy to chlorophyll A. Now what happened? All these photosynthetic pigments, as they absorb light energy, they absorb light energy between red and blue region of the spectrum. They absorb light energy between blue and red, red and blue region of the spectrum. Okay. Now as they absorb light energy and supply it to, transfer it to chlorophyll A, these carotenoids and xanthophylls, beside that, what they also do, they also protect chlorophyll A from photooxidation. What they do, because chlorophyll A get light energy from every pigment, so it may get photo-excited, so from photooxidation, so it protects the chlorophyll A. These carotenoids, they protect the chlorophyll A from photooxidation. Okay, so today we have studied photosynthetic pigments. What are that photosynthetic pigments? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene and xanthophylls. These four are necessary for these are present in the higher plants. Okay, thank you.